Hi everyone, it's Liam from Blackpool Automart. I hope you're all okay, and today I've got a quick video walk around of this frozen white Ford Kuga ST line. Now of course this is the plug-in hybrid. You do get full LED headlights, front parking sensors. You then also get these brilliant painted alloy wheels, which of course are an 18-inch. I will go into each and every one just so you can get a good idea of the design pattern that you do get on these alloys. Around to the rear now, we've also got rear parking sensors along with a reversing camera, which is just up at the top there. You then also get your electric tailgate. You've got a protective boot mat in the rear. You've got 60/40 split folding rear seats. Then to lower the tailgate, tap the button at the top and it will drop down like so. Then coming around again, showing you the rear alloy just here. In the back of the car now, we have part leather, part Alcantara interior with Isofix mounting points at the bottom. You've got heated rear seats, electric rear windows, or electric windows all around, sorry. You've then got keyless entry and start. You've got your drive select, park assist, parking sensors off, and EV mode. You've got your auto hold, electric handbrake, and then your automatic gearbox is just here. Then over to the the climate settings. You've got dual climate control, heated front windscreen, heated steering wheel and heated front seats as well. You've then on your infotainment display, we've got your various audio sources. We've then got satellite navigation, Bluetooth hands-free. You also get Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, which you within here as well. Then over to the steering wheel, you've got your cruise control with your adaptive cruise as well. Audio volume adjustment is just below. Over to the right, you've got your track select, Bluetooth hands-free and voice assistant, and then your onboard computer controls. As you can see, this Ford Kuga has done 49,062 miles. We're coming back outside the car now, showing you the last remaining alloy. If you do, of course, require any further information on this Ford Kuga, don't hesitate to get in contact with our dealership, and one of our sales team can provide you with a personalised video. We thank you for your time and we hope to hear from you soon here at Blackpool Automart.